Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M12 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, and right now, since we are in a photo mode, we can take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the timer option, so let's tap on it. And here we've got actually 4 options which are attached to the timer. We can we've got option off, so which means that the timer is turned off. We've got also 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay, so let me pick 10 seconds delay. Actually all you have to do is simply tap on the option you'd like to use. As you can see, the icon has changed slightly, and right now just tap on the shutter button, and as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let's check another option. Let me pick, for example, 5 seconds, tap on the shutter button, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 5. After turning off the timer just by tapping on this icon with off option, we can check that from now on this device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set the camera timer in your Samsung Galaxy M12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.